Hi boys and girls, welcome to the word study lesson. We can use syllable patterns to help with our reading and spelling. You guys know that a syllable is a word chunk with one vowel sounds. And you also know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Longer words are composed of syllables, more than one, and sometimes they have prefixes and suffixes. A prefix is a word part that goes at the beginning of the word, and the suffix is the word part that goes at the end of the word. So let's review our syllable types. The first one is the closed syllable, is the one that has a single vowel that is followed by one or more consonants, and the sound of that vowel is short, like in the word hymn or trash. The open syllable is the one that has a single vowel at the end of the syllable, and that vowel will have a long sound, like in the word re, actually he, and then re in the word remote. R controlled syllable is when we have a vowel followed by an R, like in the word her or shark. The fourth type of syllable is VCE, vowel consonant E, like in the word hide. I is the vowel, D is a consonant, and then we have the final E. That final E makes that I say its name. Vowel teams is the one that when we have two vowels working together and they make one sound, they represent one sound. And then we have CLE, consonant LE, like in the word circle and bubble. And CLE is always at the end of the word. So now let's look at the words that we have for our word study lesson for today. Democracy, okay, that's the first word. What word? Democracy. Democracy is a noun that means it's a type of a government where citizens elect representatives. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word democracy. Democracy. There are 4 syllables, so it's a long word, and we're going to split it in lines. Democracy. Then the next part, I need to mark all the vowels. So E is a vowel, O is a vowel, A is a vowel, and Y. So the first syllable is going to be closed, right? Closed, so I can just put C. The second one will be closed also because I have that vowel that is followed by a consonant. Then we have raw, okay, raw. This is actually irregular. I know you guys wanted to say open, but this is an irregular. And then C, okay, C-Y. Here is that open syllable, democracy, okay? The next word is Congress. What word? Congress. Let's divide the word Congress into syllables. Congress. So we have 2 syllables in the word Congress, okay? Congress. We're marking the vowels. O is a vowel and E is a vowel. And you guys know that this one will be the closed one, and this one is the closed also. Congress is a noun that means it's actually a part of our government, Congress. And the last word that we have for today is legislative. What word? Legislative. Let's split the word legislative into syllables. Legislative. Very good. So legislative, okay? Marking the vowels E, I, A, I, and E. This one is closed. This one is closed too. Legislate. Let's see. What do we have in the Yes, very good. It's open. And now tiv. Well, you guys will say that it is C, right? Because we have actually VCE, right? Vowel, consonant, E. But because there is a short sound, that I makes a short sound, that is actually going to be just a suffix. Tiv. So this is a suffix. Tiv, because that E doesn't make that I say its name. Legislative. Okay, so 3 words. Democracy, Congress, and legislative. And legislative is an adjective. And legislative means that it's making law. Okay, good job. Keep up the good work, boys and girls.